Here are the instructions for the Flipgrid video About Me project. The first thing that you should do is you should click on this hyperlink that would bring you back to slide 1 to review the 7 questions of things that I want to know about you. Take some time to write down a script for yourself and rehearse before recording your video. You need to make sure you include all of these things. You want to include your name, nickname, and any preferred pronouns that you wish to use, a list of your favorite things, your hobbies. Are you planning on joining any clubs or playing any sports? Some things that you did this summer, your after high school plans. What do you want to do as a job? Or do you want to go to school or go to the military? I want to know those things. I want to know why you are taking this class and what you are most excited to learn about and your goals. And then you can also include anything else that you would like to share with me. Please also make sure you take the time to review the rubric for the project. In order to earn all 15 points, you need to make sure you answer all 7 of those questions and that you give detailed, thoughtful, and reflective responses. So I don't want you to just say, I slept all summer. I don't want to just say I'm taking this course because I have to, or I don't know. I want you to really think about things and give thoughtful, reflective responses. Once you have done your brainstorming and you have rehearsed what you're going to say in the video a few times, you're going to click this link and it will bring you to Flipgrid. It should bring up the assignment right away. You might need to log into Google. Here are the questions again, in case you would like another reminder. And once you are ready to record, you click Record a Response. And then your webcam will pop up. And when you are ready, you can click Record. You do not have to fill up the full 10 minutes. I just give people the full 10 minutes in case they have a lot that they would like to share. There's also some effects and some other optional effects that you can do. I did include a link to a tutorial of how to customize your videos, how to snip some things out of the video, like if you mess up on a question, you can re-record it. And that tutorial link is included in the All About Me project slide. Once you're ready to record, you can click the pink button there, the countdown, and then it'll start recording your video. You can pause these. You want to go back and review your questions or your script, and I can show you some of these options here. You can mirror the video, record the screen, or mute yourself. Some cool effects you could use: text, photo, and filters. Those of you who like Instagram and Snapchat know all about filters. You can play with some of those and really personalize your video. Once you are done, click Next. It'll give you a chance to review what you recorded, and you can choose to either keep it. It'll give you an option to either add more, or if you are satisfied with your video, you can click Next. And then the last step would be to take a selfie as I produce the video. And all you do is click the pink button and then click Next. And then you want to put your name. You can put a link. You don't have to entitle it All About This. Let's see. And then you click Submit. And once you're done with that, you can complete. Now, before anyone can see the videos, I have to approve it, make sure it's appropriate. But I do have one here that I have already made in case you want to see the example or get to know me a little bit more. Once you complete your Flipgrid video, I ask that you do go to the Google Classroom assignment and just click Turn In. If you do the video, you do not have to upload any documents, but please leave me a private comment that you have turned in the video. It's just going to make organizing your projects easier for me, and it will also help me record your attendance for the day much easier if you actually go into Google Classroom and click the Turn In button for this project. And if you need some help with how to do that, you can always watch this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I'd be happy to help.